Hey, Sarah. I'm planning a weekend getaway, and I'm looking for some suggestions. Any ideas?
Hi, Alex. Sure, I would be happy to help. What kind of getaway are you looking for? Relaxing, adventurous, or something else?
I think I'm in the mood for something adventurous. Maybe outdoor activities or exploring a new city.
How about visiting Asheville, North Carolina? It's known for its beautiful mountains and outdoor activities. You can go hiking, biking, or even try whitewater rafting in the nearby rivers.
That sounds exciting. I have never been to Asheville before. Are there any specific hiking trails or places you recommend?
Definitely. One popular hiking spot is the Blue Ridge Parkway, which offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains. You can also check out Chimney Rock State Park, known for its towering rock formations and scenic trails.
That sounds perfect. I love beautiful scenery and hiking. What about accommodations? Any recommendations for places to stay?
Asheville has a range of options. If you prefer a cozy mountain retreat, you could look into renting a cabin in the surrounding area. But if you would like to stay closer to the city, there are also charming bed and breakfasts or boutique hotels downtown.
Renting a cabin sounds like a great idea. It would be nice to be surrounded by nature. Do you have any particular cabin rental companies in mind?
Absolutely. Check out companies like Asheville Cabins of Willow Winds or Carolina Mornings. They offer a variety of cabins with different amenities, and you can choose one that suits your preferences.
Fantastic! I shall look into those options. Thanks for the suggestion, Sarah. I'm really excited about this adventurous getaway.
You are welcome, Alex. I'm sure you'll have an amazing time in Asheville. Don't forget to explore the city's vibrant arts and music scene while you are there too. Enjoy your trip.
I will definitely do that. Thanks again, Sarah. Take care, and I shall catch up with you when I get back.
You are welcome, Alex. Have a fantastic trip, and I look forward to hearing all about it. Take care and enjoy your adventure. Goodbye.
Hey Jack, so let's talk about our life history.
Okay, let's do it.
So first, when were you born?
I was born in 1984. What about you?
I was born way before that. I was born in 1969.
Oh,
Yeah, a ways ago.
not too long ago.
Yeah, 47 years ago, but yeah.
Okay, a long time ago.
Okay, so when did you graduate high school?
I graduated high school in 2003.
Oh my God. Really?
What about you?
Wow, I graduated high school in 1987.
Ah, when I was 3 years old.
Wow, yeah. We were probably about the same intelligence level about that time.
No, that's not true.
And when did you graduate from college?
I graduated from college in 2010. When did you graduate from college?
I graduated from college in 1993, so like you I took a little extra time to graduate.
Yeah, I took more time than normal.
And when did you get your first job?
I got my first job when I was 17 years old, I think. When I was still in high school.
And when did you get your first job?
I worked at a wedding shop, a wedding dress shop, so I helped to assist the customers and clean the dresses.
What did you do?
It was not so great actually.
That's a cool job.
Because brides can get a little crazy.
Why?
What about you? When was your first job?
I can imagine.
Oh, at a restaurant?
Well, my first unofficial job was when I was 13. I was a dishwasher.
Oh, what did you do there?
I made the filet-o-fish. But I got fired.
Oh, why?
Also, again I lied about my age. So actually wait, I was 14, and I lied and said I was 15 and they fired me, but I worked there for 3 months.
Oh, and you got paid?
And I got paid.
Well, that's good at least.
It was good times. Good times. Okay, so when did you meet your best friend?
I met my best friend in 2007, so about 10 years ago. What about you?
Oh gosh, I met my best friend in high school, so I was a sophomore, a second-year student, so that was 1984 or 1985.
Wow! So you have been best friends for a long time.
A long time, yeah, yep. So how about phones? When did you get your first phone?
I think I got my first phone when I was also 17, the same year I had my first job. It was my first cell phone, was that year. What about you?
Well, I got my first phone also when I was 17, but it was a real phone. My parents gave me my own phone line in my house, so I had a phone in my room. Back then that was common in the 80s, so young high school people would have their own phone in their house.
Yeah, some of my friends had that when I was growing up also, but I was not lucky enough to get my own phone until I could pay for it myself.